So an EIN is also known as a tax ID. EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. And then, like I said, it also stands for tax ID. What that is, it's kind of like a social security number for your business. Whenever you have a DBA, you can use your social, but it's really not good to give out your social to businesses that you're going to work with. Some of them might request it to pay you. It's better to give an EIN or a tax ID. So if you have an LLC or an S corp, then you need to apply for an EIN or a tax ID. If you have a DBA, it's optional, but it's better to not give out your social security number. And these are going to be like, let's say you have a lawn service and you get an account with a big business that has multiple locations, and they're going to pay you $100,000 a year to handle their lawns. They're most likely going to ask you for your tax ID so that they can write it off on their taxes. A lot of businesses will ask you for that if you're doing business, especially with the business. And then on your forms that you're going to submit to the government, they're going to ask you for your tax ID or EIN. If you want employees, you're going to have to get an EIN. Then the government will give that to you. It's completely free. All you got to do is go to Google, type in tax ID or EIN for my business. You're going to get a lot of this that pop up. A lot of companies are going to try and sell you their service. You don't need to pay for it. It's really simple. It's going to be a form from the IRS. You're just going to fill it out. They're going to want your name, your business name, and they're going to want your social. And then they're going to send you immediately an EIN number to your email. You're going to get one. If you do a DBA, that EIN number will be the same for all DBAs that you operate. For every LLC or S corp that you own, you get a different EIN number. It's completely free, so you don't have to pay one of these companies. It's really, really simple to fill out. It's basically your basic information, your address, your business name. It's very simple. It's not complicated at all. And then once you get that number, you can give that number out to those who request it. And it will happen throughout your business. People are going to ask you for your EIN or your sales tax permit, or your tax ID throughout the life of your business. It's just going to happen. So make sure you get it. Like I said, Google search, easy done. Talk to you soon, and I'll see you in another video.